it's Frances from BC Hydro. We're here today looking at cofferdams. This big pile of dirt over here is the upstream cofferdam, and this pile of dirt over here is the downstream cofferdam. Once both cofferdams are built across the river, we're going to be able to pump the water out of the middle there and build the earthfill dam itself across the river. So we're going to go and talk to Chris Hatton, our project manager, who's going to tell us more. Thanks for joining us, Chris.
My pleasure.
So we're here at the cofferdams. Can you tell us a bit more about what's happening down at site? What's all the machinery doing down here?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we're doing is in the center portion of the river, we're placing all the material for the cofferdam to build up to full height. And that big crane that you see in the middle there is the interlocking steel pile rig. So those piles are actually there and they're driven down part of the way through the cofferdam and embedded into the rock. And they go right across the river and seals off the area. So we're doing that on the upstream cofferdam and we're doing it on the downstream cofferdam, which gives us a dry area that we can do the work to start construction of our dam.
So how high are the cofferdams going to be?
Yeah, so the cofferdam is going to be about 24 meters tall at the deepest portion of the river, which is about 6 building stories. So it's pretty big.
So this middle part here with all the water, what's going to happen to all the fish once you start pumping the water out?
So what we have is before we start pumping water, we have some specialist teams that come in and actually are trained to collect the fish. They safely then transport them back into the Peace River so that we can start pumping the water out of the area. And then we get into excavation for our core trench for our dam.
Okay, the fish stay safe then.
You bet.
Okay, thanks for your time, Chris.
My pleasure.